here with Jim and his 1989 240sx, and you know, here on Tire Side we wouldn't feature just any 240sx. This has got to be the cleanest 240 I think I've ever seen, and Jim has done a beautiful job building this car. So Jim, how'd you come across this thing?
I saw it in Motor Trend and Car and Driver back in 1988, and I thought it was a really cool car, and they compared it to the 240Z, and I've always loved the 240Z. And I went down to Beaverton Nissan and looked at it, and about a week later I went and bought one.
So you've owned this car since it was brand new?
Almost 30 years.
That's
30
crazy.
years, November 4th, 1988.
You never hear that, man. So what have you done to this thing since you bought it?
Recently in 2014, it had a facelift.
Okay.
A friend of mine did all the work, Derek Claylak, and did an engine swap, a SR20 DET engine. It got new suspension, Fortune Auto 500, new wheels, Works wheels, and the Kouki Type X full body kit.
Wow.
From Japan.
That's crazy. So what made you decide to build this thing?
The friend that built my car, I met him at O'Reilly's in McMinnville, and I've always wanted to do something to the car, but I didn't know where to turn to. And he told me he could do it. I took a ride in his car and another friend's car. He had a 240sx, and the other friend, Will, he had a 620 Datsun pickup, and it had a SR20 swap in it, DET. And from there, it was like, I gotta have it. So.
Well, it's a beautiful build, man. You've done a wonderful job with it. Let's go for a ride.
Okay.